Hi everybody, how are you doing today? We're remaking some video that we shot up on the mountain yesterday because our GoPro ate the memory card. I'm standing in front of my two 2019 Argo 950 SXs. We used them to go up to our Christmas at our cabin this year and had a great time. Now these two units are identical in every way. They're the 40 horsepower, high torque transmission, and we've had really good luck with them for the last couple of years. This year, Argo introduced a new instant torque clutch for their Argo Auroras, and we were curious what that would do. And so I reached out to my buddies and my dealer here in northern Utah at Western Skies Argo and asked them if they would be able to source one of those clutches for me. And they did, and they were able to bring it and install it in this orange unit. It took a couple of extra little pieces to get it in, but it was really, I think it took them less than an hour to install it. And then we had kind of forgotten about it. And when we were coming in pretty heavy, because we were gonna spend a good week at the cabin, we noticed that the orange Argo with that new clutch really pulled harder than the green one with the stock clutch from 2019. And so we thought, well, that might be fun. Let's drag race an Argo. And I don't know that makes a whole lot of sense. These are not fast units. These, with the high torque transmission, max out at like 20 miles an hour, and going uphill, they usually slow down a little bit from that as well. But anyway, we did that race and recorded that, and you can see that next. Okay, so as you can see, the orange unit definitely pulls quite a bit harder. This race was done over about a half a mile and about 500 feet of elevation gain. So it was an uphill climb. It wasn't as steep as some of the areas that we go in, but it was a wide enough road that we could start them up side by side. Now, we didn't have these units loaded as heavily as we did when we were coming in with our initial load for the Christmas trip. And so we didn't feel like the difference was as pronounced in this race as when we were initially coming in. And so I think that what that means is this clutch really helps out in those uphill climbs when the Argo is loaded to really help it maintain velocity. We've never had a problem getting to where we were going, but it's always nice to have a little extra power put down to the tracks to get up the hill. And so I think this new instant torque clutch could help. Now, the cool thing about this is that that clutch appears to be of the similar size and would fit in Argo's going back 10 plus years because they've been using the same clutch that we've got in this green unit for a long time. Western Skies is looking into that to see what kind of bits and pieces would be needed to make a kits for various models. And I'll put their link in the description. You may want to reach out to them and chat with Rex or Gary at Western Skies and ask them what kind of options might be available for your Argo, because even a small difference like that can really save you a lot of time over a long journey. Anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate your time.